This is a challenge of Sencito eating a sour candy. Come on.
Oh.
Come on, you have to eat all the sugar. The sugar is the one that is sour. What happened? Is it sour? Come on. Come on, come on.
No!
Hey, come on.
Hi.
Hey, Bobby.
Hi. Andy, we get a car.
I know, I saw on the camera upstairs. What are you doing?
What about you? You eat a sour candy.
No.
Come on, just one.
Why?
Come on.
It's going to
Just
be...
one. Don't
Let me
talk.
try it again.
Okay, but you gotta put right there with Andy.
Okay.
Come on, one and one.
Okay.
Only one.
Oh, dos, tres.
Just this.
Don't lose. Come on, Andy. If you make faces, you're gonna lose. If you don't make faces, I wanna give you. Eat it. Come on. Papi, get right there with Andy. I cannot see you here. What happened?
Hmm?
It's a sour.
It's a sour.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Papi. Chew it.
I've been doing a lot of challenges.
Yeah. You're not making faces. Why?
Hmm.
You're holding it hard.
I guess. I put it in front of my tongue.
Oh, I told you, right? Because you put on the sides. That's when you feel more the flavor.
Mm.
Try even this.
I win.
Yeah, you win.
I win.
Yeah, you win too. Why are you
Andy,
laughing?
you're going to try this again.
Nah.
Yes, you are.
No thanks. Why are you so recording me?
Look on this eyes. Baby, look on this eyes.
So, yeah.
That is with more sour.
Yep.
Okay, that's very good. Come on, eat it.
Ah.
Take your hands out of your face. I want to see your face.
Oh.
You know what happened?
Ah.
What happened is that Chancito chewed it, and so he put all the flavor on the sides of his tongue. He's good now.
I win.
No, when you made faces.
Hmm?
You made faces.
I win.
What?
You did not win. I win.
Bro.
He's dancing.
Huh?
He's dancing. You win.
No, I win.
Very good.
No, mommy, I
What do
win.
I get? $20.